Hello students, welcome to video class of Engineering Mathematics 1. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of finding center of curvature and circle of curvature for the curve y square is equal to 12x at 3, 6. X and y values are mentioned. X is 3, y is 6. Therefore, first let us consider the given curve, that is y square is equal to 12x. We need to obtain y1 and y2. Therefore, differentiating this with respect to x, if we differentiate it with respect to x, it becomes 2 times y into y1 is equal to 12. Therefore, y1 is equal to 12 divided by 2y, 1 is 6, that is 6 by y, that is equal to y1. Fine. Similarly, then what is y2? Differentiation of this with respect to x. If you differentiate this with respect to x, then it becomes y2. What is that? 6 into 1 by y. So that is minus 1 divided by y square. Therefore, y2 is equal to minus 6 by y square. Clear? So we got y1 and y2. But we want to take y1 and y2 at the rate of x, y given, that is 6, 3, 6. Therefore, at the point x, y is equal to 3, 6. y1 is equal to 6 divided by y, 6. So that is 1. So y1 is equal to 1. Similarly, y2 is equal to minus 6 divided by y square. What is y? Y is 6. So 6 square. Therefore, that is equal to get cancelled. So it is minus 1 by 6. That is y2. Fine. So y1 and y2 at the rate of given value we obtained. Therefore, center of curvature C is alpha, beta, where alpha is equal to, what is the formula for alpha? Alpha is nothing but x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Beta is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Okay. So these are the values. Therefore, let us substitute the value and let me know what is the value of alpha and beta. So alpha is equal to x. What is x? 3. So 3 minus y1. What is y1? 1 into 1 plus 1 square divided by y2. What is y2? Minus 1 by 6. So that is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 square 2. So if it goes to numerator, then it becomes 12. Okay, it becomes 12. So plus 12, that is equal to 15. Therefore, the value of alpha is 15. Similarly, beta is equal to y. Y is nothing but 6 plus 1 plus y1. y1 is 1 divided by y2. y2 is equal to minus 1 by 6. Therefore, it is 6 minus 1 plus 1, 2. When it goes to numerator, it becomes 12. That is equal to minus 6. This is the value of beta. Therefore, center of curvature C is alpha, beta, that is equal to 15, minus 6. 15 comma minus 6. Then after getting this, before moving to center of curvature, we need to obtain radius of curvature. So what is the radius of curvature? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 that divided by y2. So this is the formula. Clear? Therefore, rho is equal to 1 plus y1. What is y1? 1. So 1 square that raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. What is y2? Minus 1 by 6. Therefore, this goes to numerator. So minus 6 into 2 raised to 3 by 2, which is nothing but minus 6 into 2 raised to 2 by 3 by 2 can be written as 2 into root 2. Therefore, it is equal to minus 12 root 2. This is the value of rho. So we got radius of curvature rho is equal to minus 12 into root 2. Okay, but usually what we do, we keep this under modulus sign. So mod rho is equal to mod of 12 root 2, which is nothing but 12 root 2. Rho is equal to, okay, positive. Therefore, circle of curvature is x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equal to rho square. This is the formula. Fine. X minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equal to rho square. Therefore, this is nothing but x minus alpha. What is alpha? 15. 15 square plus y minus beta. What is beta? Minus 6. The square, which is equal to rho. Rho is 12 root 2 the square. Therefore, x minus 15 square plus y minus of minus plus 6 square is equal to, if you take it, how much it is? 12 square, 144 into 2, that is 288. So this is circle of curvature. Clear? Circle of curvature. In this example, what is center of curvature and what is circle of curvature? Center of curvature is C is equal to alpha comma beta, which is nothing but 15 comma minus 6, and circle of curvature is equal to x minus 15 square plus y plus 6 square